Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and comment. Turn your post notification on so that you be notified every time I drop a video. If you're a returning family member, what do you do, baby? Hi guys, I come back again. I know I've been gone. I know guys, I know. I have no excuse, honestly. I have no excuse. I've just been living in the moment. I have no excuse why I have not been posting, but yeah, my apologies. But yeah guys, my friends and I are going camping. Tomorrow, which is Friday the 4th of July. And it's an 8-hour drive. And it's an 8-hour drive. I just finished packing my bag, marinated the meat because we're gonna have a braai. Marinated the meat. I have to leave in a few minutes to go get some babe and charcoal and flavor for the hookah. Yeah, I think is that all we have to do today? Oh, and then my friends are gonna pick up the car as well. We rented out a car. My friends are gonna pick that up. And I think we might start packing the car today. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. But I will keep you guys updated. But I cannot wait, guys. I cannot wait. The last time I went camping was a year and a half ago, which was the best time of my life. I had a time, honestly. I might insert a few clips.
Good morning, campers. Good morning, campers.
Doing it again in a different country now. Cannot wait. I cannot wait, honestly. I am excited, looking forward to this camping trip. Also, I need it, guys. I need to fill my cup. I need to recharge. Not anywhere, not in a pool, not in a hotel, in a tent with the lake, the birds, trees, mountains. What better way to recharge than in the woods? What better way to recharge in nature? Guys, I need to fill my cup, and I think this trip is gonna fill my cup, because you can never pour in an empty cup. You need to constantly fill your cup up. So that's what I'm gonna do this weekend. But yes guys, I'm gonna take you guys with me. Yeah, I won't have electricity, so if I don't vlog much, guys, please don't come for me. The camping site doesn't have electricity. I have one power bank and I'm depending on my charger and the car. And maybe if we go to the restaurant, maybe if I charge there, but we will not have electricity. So yeah.
Only got a nigga calling on me. But I wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some kerosene in it. Make this stitch up, I wanna put it in the room. You been out there, I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in your bird, it doesn't feel no relief. Her perfect picture, I'm Polaroid. She told me you know what.
Hey y'all, I just left the hookah store and I'm going to Braai to go look for alcohol. But yeah, come with me. I went to the hookah store. The only thing I was able to find there was flavor. I was not able to find the coal, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but we will cross the bridge when we get there. Obviously we're gonna find it somewhere else. I just did not find it here. But yeah, no, I'm just gonna go now look for ping. Yeah.
Alright, comes to 52.
Of the drivers. Oh, but the car looks good. Zano! Hey guys, Zano and I just picked up the car. We're gonna start packing now. Good morning, y'all. It's finally the day we have all been waiting for. It's currently 4 a.m. and nothing is funny at this point. Like, it's 4 a.m. Like, nothing is funny, honestly. I am so tired. But yeah, no. But let's get this ship started. Like, I am ready. Hey guys, Lana's here to pick me up.
Good morning, Zozo. Woo! Rise and shine, driver.
Hey y'all, my friends and I stopped for a toilet break and also to get some coffee at the gas station. Yeah. Hey guys, I was not able to find duct tape. Yes. Hey guys.
Welcome to Fences YouTube. Are we not supposed to say that? Cremora. Everything happens for a reason.
I don't mind a child. I don't mind you like growing up and becoming vegan, but raising a child vegan, crazy business. That's kind of
Your mama's colored as well?
yeah.
I thought maybe like you like Dylan.
Daddy's
Dylan
like
is
white.
Japanese, right?
But that's
Stop number 2. We're looking for the bathroom. This way, Zozo.
I know, but it's big. What did you see? I got to put up on the door. Yo, guys, we almost
We're on the hunt for a toilet.
yo.
Literally.
They said we must use those gomelas. Ha! And when you pee, then the stuff splashes on your butt. Babe, no, I'm not. It's never gonna happen, right?
I'm on a hunt. I need it. I want it. I gotta have it. Baba.
There's a bridge there. Because we have to walk across a bridge.
Is it this?
This thing runs in the God.
Where are we going?
For no slumber.
Oh, there. I think I see the tent.
That's not, we saw no slumber.
Oh, this way. Oh, we still have to go uphill. Zoe, you should be taking a video for the straight one, my babes. Do you see it?
Stay to the left.
Stay to the left.
Oh, guys, it's in.
At what cost?
Yo, nah. Okay, let's go down that way. Yo, my head.
Up in here. Okay.
Let's open and see.
Ooh.
It's nice. This is very, and it's covered.
Guys, and it's very spacious. The bed is not gonna
It's nice.
deflate.
There's 2 chairs in the back. It's nice.
Are you kidding?
What do you think I saw? No way. It looks so beautiful and
This is so actually so beautiful.
so quiet.
It's so hush hush.
I'm sure we can find a way.
Yo, those bugs. Bloody hell. Guys, let's go get our bags. I'm clearing something like a. Away, my second.
Very hard thing.
She's thinking about kaki. Hey, Zana, how are you feeling?
Let's look for something to do. When I want to record, so she can fancy.
What? My friends and I are going out for the 4th of July. Yeah, we dress. This is my outfit. Shirt from Fashion Nova, skirt from, I don't know. Shoes from South Africa, bag from Shein. Zoe's gonna change in the car. Zano's dressed. We're going
Got inches on inches.
inches. I'm telling you, that the 8.
Here's a lobster place.
No, wait, we did that.
You wanna go here?
We did that.
Huh? I did, but not this length, this straight one. I'm hungry, bitch. Don't even make me wonder. And if I see, but when like yellow's my color now.
It looks great on you. I want to
Really? Yeah. I like yellow now. Yes, you can. Hey guys, Zana, Zoe, and I just left the. We just left the lobster bar. I don't think I like lobsters. I don't think I would buy a lobster roll again. A waste of my money. Also, my friend here was mad as hell because the service was really bad. Very racist on that note. And then we also went to some other store that sells like merchandise, Maine merchandise. I got a sweatshirt and a bag, cute bag. We're currently going to watch fireworks since you guys know that it's 4th of July. So we're gonna watch fireworks.
Happy 4th. Happy 4th.
Those. Hey, reporting back from my camp. Just woke up. I had a good night. The sound of the water falling, so that was really great waking up to that. It felt like a sound machine. If you guys know what a sound machine is, that's how it felt. But yeah, yesterday we went to Bar Harbor, watched fireworks, which was really good. Actually, before watching fireworks, when we got to Bar Harbor, we were driving around looking for parking because parking was very hard to find last night. And then I saw this other guy that I know from my Instagram, and I'm like, I know that guy. And then my friend was like, just go say hi because we don't have any plans. No people around here. And then I went to go say hi. I'm like, hey. And then always found out that he knows me. He was like, hey, Nikki. I'm like, hey. And then, yeah, you know what? We're just here for dinner and then we're going to watch fireworks. Yeah, and just head home because we don't have any plans. We don't even know where to watch fireworks. And then he was like, yeah, we're just here for dinner as well. And then we're just going to go out for drinks. I will let you know on Instagram what's up. I'm like, cool, babes, let us know because we don't have any other plans. Am I packing all the granola bars, ne? Camper.
Good morning, Camper.
Good morning, Camper. Hey, Zana, what do you want to tell us what we're doing today? You look cute, by the way.
Thank you.
What are we doing?
Oh, everything actually. We're going to go. Where are we going?
We're going hiking,
Hiking.
but we don't know which
Somewhere.
trail.
And then we're going to the beach. And then are we going to the lighthouse today?
I think so.
Yeah. Just follow. Stick
Just
with us.
follow you.
Stick with
Oh,
us.
but you look cute though.
Thank you.
You look cute.
Good. Fences. What are your people called? No. You don't have a name for them, no? Guys.
Hey guys, like we're friends though.
Okay, guys. You need to give them a name.
I should.
I thought we could call them. Oh. What do you like saying? Like, what's your saying?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't have a say.
You don't have a saying.
We have neighbors over there. Neighbors. Hey neighbor. Wait, look, eh? Oh really? They probably went hiking as well because they were dressed for hiking when I saw them. Our God is moving. We believe it. Believe it. Breakthrough is coming.
Oh, vlog.
Oh,
Made it out. Ish.
guys, you're messing up my game.
So real.
Hey guys.
Vlogging.
Good morning, campers.
Good morning, campers.
Yay.
Made it.
We're going on a hike, on our favorite hiking trail, jumping through the sky, little Einstein. Acadia National Park. Hey y'all, I feel like you and I have not spoken in like a while now, but my friends and I are at the Jordan Pond Trail in Acadia, Maine. It's gonna be a 3.5 mile hike, which is like 2 hours. So, yep.
Trying it to us.
It tastes like actual water. Of course it's actual water. Did you hear this?
No, like it's clean.
Really? Try it, Zoe. It's clean. Try it, babes.
Wow.
Right?
And it is
cold.
Wow. That might be the best water I've ever had.
Zoe, you need to try this, honestly.
I think you have to drink it. That's really good.
Hey guys, me and my fellow campers, Zoe. Look, say hi to my people. Hey guys.
We made it, guys. Made it out the group
We
chat.
did. Do you like the walk though?
It's good.
How's the hike?
It's really good. Well, we've only done like.
Yay! Yeah, I did. My sister fell. I was not familiar with her game.
What? Very sentence of the weekend.
Yeah.
No help. Just continuing. So, thank you.
Hi, babe.
Fancy the hiker.
Hi, camper.
Hey, camper. Are you guys familiar with God's game?
Listen.
He ate it.
What are the odds?
What are the odds of him eating like this?
Every time.
In it.
In it.
Stanley.
Snack break.
Life is worth living.
Mile 4. Go campers. Go campers. Hey, mile 4.
On your mark.
Yeah. 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 Show my love for you. Hey Zoe. We are going to Thunder Hole. This is Thunder Hole. This is Thunder Hole, and I'm with Zano and Zoe. We went to the beach, but we are walking into Thunder Hole. I am actually. My friends are at the back, and I'm wearing slides. I'm so scared for my life, but it looks safe, so I'm just gonna go. Yeah. How cute is this?
I wonder if I can reach us. I wonder if
Hey guys, we're back at the camping site. My friends and I are back at the camping site. We're gonna have a braai today, but we're also having friends over. Some South African friends we met when we went to Bar Harbor on Friday. So yeah, we're just gonna have a braai, and we're having s'mores, hubbly drinks, chilled vibes. Honestly, we're not doing much this afternoon. And then yeah, we went hiking. The hiking was really good, honestly. I don't want to lie, but then it was very long. I think it was long because we took the wrong trail. That's why initially the hike was supposed to be 3.5 miles, but it ended up being 5 miles, which was a stretch for us. But then, hey, your girls did 16 steps today, and I'm not complaining. And then after hiking, we went to the beach. The beach was chilled. Nothing much. It was just windy, so we did not stay there for long. And then we went to Thunder Hole. Yeah, we went to Thunder Hole. Thunder Hole was good as well. Yeah, a lot of people had left Thunder Hole by then, so it was a little bit empty, which was great. We were able to get all the views, the scenery. We were able to get all the pictures we wanted. So yeah, I might insert a few clips of the Thunder Hole here. But nonetheless, guys, I'm loving this camping trip. I've not been camping in a while. Yeah, we're loving it. Nu try Lily, nan desele tishin. What is edition?
What is that even? So, casual tissue.
Let's walk to Mama stairs. Zano, what's the highlight of your other trip?
The highlight of the trip was the Thunder Hole. It was so beautiful, so scenic. It's the places like that remind me that, like, yeah, God is real.
Nah.
Yeah.
What's one thing you would change about the trip?
Everybody had to
The kaki situation
Yo.
was bad.
toilet situation. I would change, maybe a little bit better, a lot bit better. Yeah. But besides that, no, like even with that, it was a good trip.
Nah. Great experience. Sorry.
Oh.
So what was the highlight of the trip?
My highlight was
Oh my word.
going on a hike, and you're not gonna ask me the next question.
What's one thing you would change about the trip?
The damn mosquitoes, like I can't lie, guys. The bugs were bad. The bugs were bad. Having to pull a tick out of my leg, thinking I had Lyme disease. Never again, fam. I mean, not never again. I probably will do it again.
But never
Actually,
again to
no.
have a tick.
Yeah. It was fun. Showering outside, fun.
Everything was fun.
Everything was worth it, honestly.
Experience.
Even the challenges.
Experience, yeah. Now I know I can shower in the street and I'll be good.
Yeah, that.
Okay, Fenze. Highlight of your trip?
I think the Braai and going
Oh,
to the club afterwards.
okay. Love that. And then what was something that you would change?
I think not going to the lighthouse. Going to see the lighthouse.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one thing I would change about the trip. But besides, great trip.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Yeah.
You've been good to us, hey?
Okay. Oh, you're good.